Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to scrap data from Google Maps and import it into your WordPress Mylisting theme. So, if you have a website built with Mylisting and you do not have the data into the listings, then this is the platform where you can scrap data from Google Maps with everything included: the title, the overview here, the address, phone number, place, menu, the website, and the menu pictures as well. And as well as it will get the amenities, the accessibility, highlights, popular offering, and anything my listing requires. It will scrap it and will be added to your my listing theme. So I will show you the process, and the plugin is just for $50, and I will share the link in the video description, or you can go to import woocommerce.com, and here is the plugin Google Maps to my listing theme. So let me show you how you can do this easily. Click on Google Maps. When you install this plugin, you will have to download the Google Chrome extension as well. So download Google Chrome extension, extract it, and then open manage extension in Google Chrome browser. And then this developer mode always turns off, so turn this on and click on load unpack and select that folder where you extracted the Google Maps extension file. And this is after installing the Google Maps plugin, the importer plugin, and then you will install this Google Maps scrapper. So select it and it will be like this. And then you will refresh the page and you will be able to see these fields. So currently I want to get food and drinks and places, and select city. If you do not select the city, it will automatically get it from the listing itself. For example, this will automatically get San Francisco and add it to that listing. But let me search for food in Birmingham. So I want to add it to Birmingham. So let's go to the scrapper page. Let's select the city, Birmingham, and then copy this maps URL and add it to this field. And now this is the part where how many listings you want to add. For example, if you want just the first page listings, for example these ones, there will be approximately 10 or so. But if you want to add more, for example, if you scroll down, more are loaded, then more and more. So if you want to add those as well, then you can define the number of scrolls. How many scrolls do you want to do it? So let me add 3. So it will scroll 3 times and then it will add all these listings. So after clicking start scrapping, leave the mouse and keyboard and it will automatically start scrapping. Let me refresh the page. I think the session is expired. Food and drinks. Let's quickly select the category again, paste the URL, and let's add 3 scrolls. When you start scrap, Google Maps window will be opened. Just leave the mouse and watch. It will start scrolling first. This is the first scroll. Then it will scroll again. And then it will click on each listing one by one. Get the menu, get the about, and then next listing. You do not have to touch anything. You do not have to click anywhere. You do not have to switch the tab. This will be happening only if this tab is active and you do not touch anything on the screen. So once all these listings are listed below that scrapping field, it will be automatically imported into my listing theme with the proper category you selected and the proper city you selected. If you do not select the city, it will automatically get the city from the existing address from the menu. But sometimes when you search something in Birmingham or any other city, sometimes nearby cities listings are also added. So you do not want to add that city, just add the manual city in that drop down and it will automatically get to that city. Okay, once this one is done, I'm closing this in the middle to show you how it works. So if you go to the listing page, you can see we have these ones, and the yellow means this one is in progress, and once it's done it will be blue, green like this, and then this one. Once all these are processed, let me show you on the listings page. Let's go to listings, and you can see we have the logo of the business, which was got from the website of that listing, because on Google Maps the logo is not available. Let me show you one single listing on front end and show you how the data is coming here. So region is Birmingham, the hours and the directions call, which is the phone number, the website, claim listing button, and we have the gallery. The gallery have the main image and the menu images as well, and we have the description from the maps, and we have Islamic feature, we have price range, we have location. We have also added the longitude and latitude. It is through the API where we give the address and it will give us the longitude and latitude. Okay, the amenities, access, parking, and categories. So this is how you can add the listings from Google Business and Google Maps, and add it to My Listing Theme. So please let me know in the comments if you have any issues.